We are looking at the start list for tomorrow's 200-meter final, which should be in the afternoon. And the lane assignments are as pictured. Now note that we have Nita in lane 5, Shericka Jackson in lane 6, Gabby Thomas in lane 8, and Sha'Carri in lane 9. Some people said them take them slick, lane 9 again, while some are not concerned about the lane assignments. Many are saying, that can't stop speed. Let us know what your thoughts are. What do you think about the lane assignment? Aren't no matter to you? Tell us in the comments. Now, can we speak about some of what happened today? Because we were on the road, so we're just getting the chance to sit down and process everything. When we heard Jamaica got gold in the 100-meter hurdles, Jamaicans were jumping up and down. We were high-fiving random people. Also, Jamaicans were just talking and full of joy, and they were sorry that they weren't home to see the event. Where were you? And how did you feel when you saw that first goal today in the 100-meter hurdles? And what about the second goal in the 400-meter hurdles with Antonio, 21-year-old Antonio Watson, who many doubted, but there were Jamaicans who were saying that they think he would get the goal. We also heard that Antonio had some backlash in 2021 where people were trying to cancel him. What's that about? I know it's a good thing it never happened because you can't stop greatness. And what about the long jump? 2 Jamaicans on the podium for silver and bronze, and another Jamaican got 4th place. So even though he didn't medal, that's something to celebrate. 3 Jamaicans in the final of the long jump and all doing well. And that's a first time in Jamaican athletics history that we have 3 men in the finals of long jump. We could not have asked for any more. So Wayne Pinnock, he got the silver. Then we have Tajay taking the bronze and Kerry McLeod taking 4th place there. Big up guys, big up team, big up ladies, big up Team Jamaica. And what about Danielle Williams from Beijing to Budapest? The last time she won gold in the event was, I think I saw 2015. So a lot of history making going on. Today was quite a day. Jamaicans are celebrating all over online, just nice. And finally, wanna really understand when Jamaica go and win in a Budapest today? At the end of day 5, they had 3 medals, and they and Jamaica held 16 on the medal table. Now, at the end of today, day 6, we hold 8 medals, and we made our way up from 16 to 3rd place. That's not something to celebrate, man. Oh my gosh. 2 gold, 3 silver, and 3 bronze, just behind the United States with their 7 gold, 6 silver, and 6 bronze, which earns them 1st place, and Spain with 4 gold. Come on, guys, that's something great. So I think that's all we wanted to say. Just recapping there, but we cannot forget Rochelle Clayton for getting 3rd place. So she retained her bronze position, setting a new personal best of 52.81 seconds. And in 2019, she won in Doha with a personal best of 53.63. So all great work. Tomorrow we go again. We have Jamaicans in the high jump qualification, which takes place at 3:20 a.m. right? And then we have the relays happening in the afternoon. So the 4x100 meter relay for the males happening at 12:30. Then the triple jump final for women happening at 12:35. Then we have the 4x100 meter relay for women, and it's the heats. That's at 1 p.m. Then at 1:35 we have the 800 meters semi-final, right? And then we have the finals in the evening that many of us are looking forward to. It's the women's 200-meter final at 2:40 p.m., followed by the males 200-meter final at 2:50 p.m. So big things are going on tomorrow. Let's see what the day brings. And then there's Saturday and Sunday. I think it ends on Sunday. Alright, so thank you for rallying with us so far. Thank you for the support. When you like, when you engage, when you share, it really helps the channel. So bless up. Have a good night. We have an interview dropping your way pretty soon. Look out for that. And yeah, we'll talk then.